Assalamualaikum, my respected teachers and dear class fellows. Let us revise the mathematics portion of 29 June. In mathematics, we studied about long division of polynomial. That's how to divide a polynomial by polynomial. For example, here we have x cubed plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. Now the method of division is, first we find a term which is multiplied by the first term of divisor that and gives us the first term of dividend. So here we got x square. Now we'll multiply the x square with the whole divisor. So we get x cube plus 2x square. Now we'll change the sign of x cube plus 2x square, that will write the opposite sign. So here we got minus 3x cube minus 2x square, which gives us answer 0 plus x square. Now we'll bring the 3x from the above. Now again we'll find a term which when the term is multiplied by the first term of divisor, it gives us the first term of the dividend. So here we got plus x. So now we'll multiply the plus x with the whole divisor to get x square plus 2x. Now we'll opposite the signs and get 0 plus x. Now we'll bring the 1 from the above. Now again we'll find a term which is multiplied by the first term of divisor and gives us the first term of dividend. So here we got 1, which gives us x plus 2. Here we'll again opposite the signs and get the answer minus 1, which is our remainder. See the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem states that if the 0 of divisor is substituted in the dividend, then we get remainder of the division. As the above example, 0 of divisor x plus 2 is minus 2. Now the dividend is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore, p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus 8 plus 12 minus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1. Now here we see that the remainder is as in above in long division. See the factor theorem. By using remainder theorem, if we get remainder is equal to 0, then divisor is a factor of dividend. Now let us see an example on it. Here we have px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by gx is equal to x plus 1. So first we'll find the 0 of the divisor. So we got x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. Now we'll substitute the minus 1 for the value of x. So here we got p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 3 into minus 1 whole to the power 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1, which gives us minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 0. So this proves that px is a factor of gx. Now let us see the factorization method. Factorization is a method to break a polynomial in two or more factors. So here we have 12x square plus 7x plus 1. Step 1 is to multiply first term and last term. So here we get 12x square. Now we should find two factors of 12 that gives us whose sum is minus 7x. So here we got minus 4x minus 3x, whose sum is minus 7x and gives us 12x square when multiplied. So here we will write 12x square as it is. Then in the place of minus 7x, we'll write the two factors of 12x square, that is minus 4x minus 3x plus 1 as it is. So here we see in the first two term x is the common one, so we take x as common, and inside the bracket we write 3x inside the bracket we write 3x minus 1, and in the second two terms we see nothing is common, so we take minus 1 as a common and 3x minus 1 in. Now here we see the two brackets 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 are same, so we take it as common, and the other two terms which are outside outside from bracket, that are 4x minus 1, so we take it as a common. So here we got the factor 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1, which will give us the original polynomial when multiplied. Let us see the factorization of four terms of polynomial. So here we have x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now the step 1 is to take the factors of the constant term, that's 2. So here the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Now let us take the 1 as x plus 1. Now by remainder theorem, let us find the 0 of x plus 1. So here x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. Now let us substitute the value of x as minus 1. So here we got p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 square minus into minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 0. So here we see that x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now let us do it by long division to see other factors of p of x. So here we got x square minus 2x x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 divided by x plus 1. So the first we'll find a term which gives us x cube when multiplied by x. So here we got x square. Now let us multiply x square with the whole divisor, which gives us x cube plus x square. Let us opposite the signs, which gives us 0 minus 3x square. Now again let us find a number which gives us the first term of the dividend when multiplied by the first term of divisor. So here we got minus 3x. Let us multiply minus 3x with x plus 1, which gives us minus 3x square minus 3x. Now let us opposite the signs, and that gives us 0 plus 2x plus 2. Now let us bring the 2 from the above. Now let us find the another term which gives us the first term of dividend when multiplied by the first term of divisor. So here we got plus 2. So here we multiply plus 2 with the whole divisor and get 2x plus 2. Now opposite the sign and we get the 0. Now if we got the quotient x square minus 3x plus 2. Now we'll find other factors of p of x by the factorization of three terms. So here we have x square minus 3x plus 2. Now let us multiply the first term and the last term, and we get 2x square. Now let us find the factor of 2x square, which gives us the middle term when added. So here we got minus 1x minus 2x. Now let us change the value of minus 3x by the factors of 2x square. So here we got x square minus x plus 2x plus 2. So the same terms in the first two terms is x. So we'll take x as a common, and in the bracket x minus 1. In the second term, we have 2 as a common, so we take minus 2 and in the bracket x minus 1. So we got 2 bracket same, so we take the 2 brackets as common, that's x minus 1. And the other two term which are outside of bracket, we'll take it as in a bracket, that's x minus 2. Therefore, the other two factors of p of x are x minus 1 and x minus 2. Jazakumullah.